Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and here are 5 snack time ideas for the kids. Okay, first up is a peanut butter and fruit bear. It's amazing what you can do with some simple ingredients and a whole heap of imagination. Just simply spread on the peanut butter and place a fruit like this, and before you know it, you have a cute little bear. Now I just can't resist this pun, but if you have some fruit at home, just get creative and make a dessert island. It's quick and easy to prepare, and the kids will love it. And for the little guys, sometimes simple is best. So with a wee bit of creativity, a slice of watermelon can become a fruit pizza. Now if you really want to step up your game, how about trying a sandwich cutter like this? When the kids try this, plain old cheese sandwiches will never seem the same. And finally, if the kids want something meaty, how about making a homemade steamed pork bun? For this quick snack, you'll need 2 slices of bread, 1 pork shumai dumpling, and a little bit of microwave magic. So there we have it, 5 quick and easy snacks for the kids. So if your kids are fussy eaters, I hope these creations will catch their eye. And when the kids get the hang of it, they just might want to start designing their own dishes. And with their imaginations and creativity, I'm sure they're going to blow these ideas out of the water. Thanks for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, and if you're new to this channel, how about clicking the subscribe button? It'd be great to have you on board. Okay guys, that's all for now, so I'll see you next time.